When we bought the cottage and did the remodel of the kitchen, we replaced all of the appliances, and we went with the Bosch for this appliance suite. This particular range is a Bosch gas cooktop, as well as the Bosch gas oven. After about a year and a half, the gas oven actually stopped working, and we realized that the culprit is this little unit right here, and this is the igniter switch for the Bosch gas oven. We found out after we replaced this that this is going to last about a year to a year and a half. So we've had this unit for 3.5 years. I've replaced this twice now. So the good news is it's a relatively inexpensive fix. It's about $25 to buy this particular unit. It's a universal unit. It fits all of the gas ranges. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes to change this out. You take a few screws out and do the ceramic wire nuts and put it back in. But if you have a Bosch gas range and it stops working, this is the first place to start to make sure that you're not spending money that you don't have to spend on a new control panel. So like and subscribe to Sweet Home Sweet.